ताळगांवचो नवो सरपंच आग्नेल डिकुन्ना जाल्यार उपसरपंच म्हण रेगा पयच्या नांवाची घोशणा जाल्या। ही पंचायती खातीर जाल्ले वेंचणुकेचो निकाल सोमारा जाहीर जालो। बाबूश आनी जेनिफरच्या पॅनलान विरोधकांचो धूप केलो। 11तले 11 सीट ह्या पॅनलान गुठलायले। आता पंचायतीन फकत सत्ताधारी पंगड, विरोधक नाच।
आयतारा 28 एप्रिलाक जाल्ले ताळगांव पंचायत वेंचणुकेचो निकाल सोमारा लागलो। प्रभाग 3तल्यान आग्नेलो डिकुन्ना बिनविरोध वेंचून आयलो। भाजपान आपले पॅनल दवरूंक नाशिल्ले, पूण तांणी कांय उमेदवारांक तेंको दिल्लो। बाबुशाचे पॅनलान सगळ्यांक न्हिदयले। फाटले खेपे 11 मदले 10 प्रभाग तांणी जिखिल्ले। आयतारा साळगांव पंचायतीच्या 11 प्रभागांनी जाल्ले वेंचणुकेत 71% मतदान जालें। जेनिफर ताळगांवची आमदार आसा, जाल्यार काँग्रेसीत गेल्लो बाबूश आता पणजेची पोटवेंचणूक लढोवपाचो आसा।
It was an expected result. I told you all yesterday itself that we are going to sweep the polls. I would like to thank all the people of Talegaon for reposing their faith in us and the panchayat. Once again, garbage treatment plant on an urgent basis. Our roads need to be done. The sewage line, which was still on for the past 8 years, needs to be completed on priority. Because we are waiting for that to be done. It's taken too long. It's a hardship and inconvenience for the people. And also the Donopol jetty, which has been closed now for about a year. There are no plans for the new jetty as yet. And the people from there are facing a lot of hardship. So we are going to check and see what's being done, because it can't be closed indefinitely without a plan being in place.
No, I'm very happy. It clearly shows that how the people has got faith in basically our leadership. In spite of me not campaigning in the constituency, the credit credit goes to Jennifer, because she's the one who has worked as far as the constituency is concerned, and she has met each and every individual. So I would actually the credit goes to her. Roads, I admit that roads are in a bad shape because of the sewage system and all. But I think now we'll be having a new sarpanch. I am sure under his leadership we will get these things resolved soon.
मिरामारच्यान आमचो मुखेल खबराकार ग्लेन कोस्ता बरोबर व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख।